Hello, Dr. Rashi Agarwal here.
एंड ये फेस पे ऑयल नहीं है. So I have been facing a lot of acne issues and already having PCOS. So I thought, why not make this time lapse kind of follow through. So there are a lot of peels available आजकल. Some अभी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट बताएंगे, ग्लाइकोलिक पील, येलो पील, बहुत सारे टाइप्स की पील आती हैं. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो एज पर माई recommendation was a yellow peel, seeing already that I have a lot of acne spots and I get a lot of acne, but then they subside, but then they leave these hyperpigmented spots. So this yellow peel is probably going to, it's a little deeper peel from what I understand. It is going to start peeling off my skin. So yes, come and watch with me together our everyday progress. So this is day one. The peel has been applied and I have not washed it off. I will wash it off in the morning. So let's go ahead and see how this week progresses out. So on to day two. This is me, day one. So I've just washed my face and nothing else. You're not supposed to do anything else. So I don't see any kind of peeling right now. But yes, the face feels a little dry, especially I think around the mouth, and there are some active acne also that are forming. Let's wait for the evening and see what's the update. This is day three of just washing my face with water after the chemical peel, and yes, I can still see the acne, but I'm not sure it was the right time ये कराने के लिए, because I had also been premenstrual and just got my period, so वो कुछ exacerbation वो भी हो सकता है. There is no peeling, but yeah, there is this. I just have a very basic moisturizer on, so there is no makeup and skin is looking pretty fine now. Let's see and wait कि peeling कब start होती है या ये ऐसे ही better होता है. So on to the next day. I had almost gone to sleep when I remembered I didn't shoot, because I have started noticing little bit peeling where the acne were there, so they are shrinking and I'm noticing the same. So today is day 3 evening and I am seeing significant glow first of all, and secondly the peeling has started at areas around the nose and the mouth. So I think the next 2 days are going to be about the actual shedding. So see you again in the morning. हेलो. सो दिस इज़ डे 4. आई थॉट मैं सबको थोड़ा नेचुरल लाइट में दिखाऊंगी कि देर इज़ स्टिल लिटिल बिट ऑफ पीलिंग, बट आई एम सीइंग दिस ग्लो एंड स्किन इज़ इम्प्रूविंग. तो सबसे पहली बात, ये एक्ने हो क्यों रहे हैं? एज डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, PMOS, विच इज़ अ हार्मोनल डिस्टर्बेंस. दिस causes your hormones to not work right, which is the basic hormones like estrogen, progesterone, which is the female hormone, and testosterone, which is the male hormone. This is the primary change and factor which is causing acne, specifically in this area, which is indicative of this being hormonal. Also, in disbalance in these hormones causes a significant hair loss. We are coming on a vlog and how I'm trying to manage that on the same too. So let's wait and see what is in store for us for day 4. See. Day 4, and yes, there is peeling which has started on the acne areas. Again the question, why? So androgens, जो कि मेल हार्मोन है, this is disbalance with the female hormones. So क्या होता है? Mood oil production, which causes this stickiness after full day of work, more prone to getting acne. Then inflammation. Inflammation का मतलब ये नहीं है कि कोई सूजन हो गई है, but micro inflammation, the redness happens, the disbalance happens. That is why more chance clogged pores, जो हमारा प्रॉपर अपना स्किन सिक्रीशन है वो बाहर नहीं निकल पाता, वो ट्रैप हो जाता है एंड वो न्यू एक्ने फॉर्मेशन करता है. अब क्या केमिकल पील से एक्ने आने बंद हो जाएंगे? तो नहीं. थोड़ा स्किन क्लियर हो जाती है, पोर्स ओपन अप हो जाते हैं, क्लीन हो जाते हैं. इट इज़ बिन डन सो दैट जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो कम हो जाए. पील इज़ नॉट द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर इट. गेटिंग पील डन टू हैव अ क्लियर स्किन, तो थोड़ा ब्राइटन अप करने के लिए, पर अल्टीमेट ट्रीटमेंट फॉर PCOS इज़ नॉट दिस. We'll discuss further as we start moving on throughout the day, and I will finally wash my hair and face now with something other than water. So proper अब सब चीज़ शुरू करते हैं अपना normal daily skincare routine. Let's see what happens. The peel is still on, so this is day 7 and significant improvement. So yellow peel basically helps in removing tan, dullness, uneven pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. So yes, there is a significant result, but yeah, the PMOS saga continues, and this is like an average hair fall after hair wash. So everything cannot be fixed externally. There needs to be some significant about. This is really heartbreaking. So for everybody, keep watching and tuning in and subscribe for more such videos, because we are going to be talking about PMOS in detail and ultimately how to manage it. See you next time. This is Dr. Rashi Agarwal signing off. Bye bye.